Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. I'm not sure what I'm going to title this video, but I'm going to talk about my experience with my 2021 Honda Accord Sport. I had bought the car back in September 6th of 2021, which is currently this year. I want to say in October or November, I noticed that there was like this clinking sound coming from the steering rack, and I got tired of it. I took it to get serviced, and the dealership where I got the car from, they couldn't figure out where the sound was coming from. It would happen so often. You guys probably seen by the title of this video or the thumbnail. I'm not sure what I'm going to title it or I'm going to take a picture of the thumbnail. But I bought another car, or basically I traded the Accord in for the car that I always wanted. With me saying that, you guys should already know it. You guys can see the nice beautiful shade of blue right here behind me, and this is the 2022 Honda Civic Sport. As you guys can see, I love the exterior styling. This was the car I was supposed to get initially, but the dealership, like I mentioned from my birthday review, they gave me a really good deal on the Accord, so I couldn't turn it down because they didn't have any Civics in stock, and I didn't want to wait too much longer to basically have a car because of my transportation was basically the bus at the time. But yes, so now I have the 2022 Honda Civic Sport. I love the way it drives. I have the base powertrain, which is Honda's 2-liter 4-cylinder. I think it's a double head over cam. This only makes 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. So of course it's a CVT, so it's the same type transmission that was in the Accord, but the Accord did make a little bit more power because it was turbocharged. And yes, you can get a turbocharged option if you go for the Civic EX or Touring trims, but on the base powertrains, which is the LX and Sport, get the base powertrain. But I like the base powertrain, so there's some more turbocharge for me. I only traded the car in because of that mechanical problem that I was having, because they couldn't really tell me what the problem was. So unfortunately I had to let the car go, but I'm a little happy you know, to own this car. So I want you guys to let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Civic? Like I mentioned, this is a car I was supposed to get in the beginning, but I love this beautiful shade of blue behind me here. Very nice. Of course, everything's all new for the Civic. Interior, exterior styling. I also like the black rims here. Just do a quick little walk around. As you guys can see, love it. And my apologies for the background noise. There's like a wildfire going over there in the back behind the bushes and whatnot. But looking here at the Civic, beautiful shade of blue, and especially with this lighting though, very nice front styling. Like I mentioned again, I'm so sorry that I had to let my Accord go, but I got tired of that clinking sound, and no one can really give me an answer, and I had to wait a few weeks basically for a technician to come out, and I didn't want to wait too long because I got tired of basically hearing that clinking sound. If you guys are experiencing that, how would you guys handle it? Would you guys, you know, take it to get serviced, or would you guys basically trade the car out, or, you know, get something different basically? Or would you guys keep a Honda, or would you just let the Honda name go because of that mechanical problems? Yes, I know every car is not perfect. I know humans build cars, and maybe somebody probably built my car the wrong way. I mean, like I said, I took care of the car. There was no accidents. It was only owned by me. Same thing with this car, no problems. But like I say, in this series here, I'm gonna keep this car for probably over a year, or maybe the whole time. I'm gonna talk about the experience, just like I mentioned in the Accord video. I'm gonna talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. But so far, everything's been good. It's good on gas mileage. The trip computer was saying around 400 miles of range with the 2-liter 4-cylinder, so that's really good gas mileage. I think the Accord was getting probably like 50 more miles since it was a turbocharged powertrain. But I haven't broken the car in yet. It has around 20 miles so far on the odometer. But yeah, so this is part of the new family, guys. This is the 2022 Honda Civic. But yeah, like I mentioned, once again, I'm kind of sad to see that I had to let the Accord go. It's like, I don't know, I'm just kind of bummed out, but I'm happy at the same time because this is the car I was supposed to get in the beginning. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, and I see you all in the next review.